Find the volume of a sphere that has a radius of 6 feet. Leave your answer in terms of pi. I'll show you what that means as we do the problem. So let's get our little cheat sheet here. There's the formula. And there is a ball. It's a sphere. Those are going to be tricky for you to draw. Don't worry about it. Just make yourself a circle. And the radius of the circle is 6 feet, but it's not really a circle, it's a sphere. So you got to use this formula. 4 pi times the radius is 6, so that's got to be 6 cubed, and then we're dividing that by 3. The only number we need is the 6 radius. So we're going to cube that, and we get 4 pi times 216, all divided by 3. I take 4 times 216, I get 864 pi. Notice that I have not multiplied the pi through. I'm just carrying it along like it was a variable. That's what it means to be in terms of pi. Now let's see, 864 divided by 3 is 288, so it's 288 pi cubic feet. Remember, your exponent on your unit is going to be 3 because a sphere is a three-dimensional figure. Find the volume of a sphere that has a diameter of 5.2 feet. Leave your answer in terms of pi. There's my little cheat sheet. Like if I had a set of cards with formulas on them, I'm just popping a card up there. And I need a sphere. There's a blue one. In this case, it's not the radius that they're giving me, it's the diameter. So I have to take this diameter of 5.2 and I need to split it in half to find the radius. So the radius is going to be 2.6. Now we do this problem the same way. Volume equals 4 pi times 2.6 cubed, all divided by 3. So that's going to end up being, when I take 2.6 times itself 3 times, I'm going to get 17.576. Multiply the 4 times that. 70.304 times pi over 3. 23.435 pi cubic feet. Ta-da! Straight formula problems. They're kind of fun. So let's talk about hemispheres. You probably already know a little bit about hemispheres from some other places in the world. Literally. To find the volume of a hemisphere, you find the volume of the entire sphere, like pretend this whole thing is whole, and then you just take your answer and divide it in half. So this guy has a diameter of 18 centimeters, which means its radius is 9 centimeters. So the setup is 4 pi times 9 cubed divided by 3. If I take 9 times itself 3 times, we end up with 4 pi times 729 divided by 3. Work this out. Just grab your calculator, do 4 times 729, and then take that answer and divide it by 3. You're going to get the entire sphere of 972 pi. So now take that and divide it in half, because we only have half of this. So the hemisphere is 486 pi centimeters cubed. If this was helpful, please throw a like on this one so YouTube knows that this was a good video and we'll show it to other people. I appreciate that so much. And I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Bye.